Hey guys, it's kind of quiet today. It's a rainy Saturday afternoon. Just kind of laying around, not doing too much today. If people that don't know my story, I've had chronic pain for many years from thoracic outlet syndrome, and I've just recently had a double spinal fusion surgery. That's my third lower back surgery. So been dealing with chronic pain for many years, and then my wife passed away about 8 months ago now. So just kind of laying there and thinking, and it's kind of quiet and kind of peaceful though, actually. I've been kind of thinking, I've actually been married 3 times, and living with chronic pain, sometimes I think being single is just easier because, for one thing, you're not disappointing people and letting people down, and the other thing is you don't have someone guilting you when you don't feel good enough to do something. I've been through, like I said, I've been married 3 times. My first wife ditched me quite a few years ago when she couldn't deal with all my pain issues. And I got married a second time, and that one was kind of a disaster. That lasted a couple of years, and that one fell apart. And then my last wife, we were together 13 years, and we got along real good. She never really questioned my pain, and she seemed to understand it pretty well. And then she started having chronic pain herself the last few years, and so that worked pretty good. We both had pain, so we both understood it. It's kind of hard because neither one of us could do much around the house, so not much got done in that way, but it is really nice living with someone who also has chronic pain, because you understand each other, where people that don't have pain just don't get it. And then, like I said, they kind of guilt you, or, like, for example, if you are planning to go do something and all of a sudden my back will hurt or my TOS flares up and I just don't want to go, then, they're all disappointed, and then, they make you feel bad enough already, and they just make you feel worse. They kind of guilt you, and oh yeah, it's always convenient that, seems like whenever you don't want to do something, your pain gets worse, and that kind of thing. And that always just makes you feel worse. And then the other thing is, like, doing things around the house and stuff like that. You get with people, oh, I want you to do this and do that for me, and then you're trying to do things that are going to put you in pain. My last wife never did that. She'd always say, oh, no, don't do that. I don't want you to hurt yourself and be in pain. She was super good that way, and it's really hard to find people who kind of get it and are understanding that way. So, lately it's just, in a way, it's just kind of nice being by myself, because I just worry about me. I do exactly what I want to do, when I want to do it. If I don't want to do anything, I just relax and don't do that. And so actually my head is getting really clear, because I'm just focusing on me, trying to heal myself, and, recover from my wife's death and recover from my back surgery. And I think right now just being by myself, being alone, is pretty good for me, because it just, no one else really relying on me. I can totally work on myself for right now. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.
Every storm runs out of rain, just like every dark night turns into day.